Hey guys, it's Katie with another AFI DIY. I'm really excited about today's product. We showed you how to make bath bombs, shower steamers, and bath melts, but now, Bath Truffles. This product is super fizzy and fragrant. If you haven't already watched our DIY on how to make bath bombs, go do so because these products pair perfectly together. Did I mention that Bath Truffles are even easier to make? Check out the recipe. For supplies, you will need mixing bowl and stirring utensil, whisk, a hot plate and pan, ice cream scoop, cookie sheet with parchment paper, and rubber gloves. For ingredients, you will need 36.7% or 1 1/2 cup baking soda, 24.5% or 1 cup of citric acid, 12.2% or 1/2 cup SLSA, 24.5% or 1 cup of coconut oil, 1.5% or 1 tablespoon of polysorbate 80, 0.1% or 1/4 teaspoon of mica powder, 0.5% or 5 milliliters of fragrance. I was looking through AFI's huge fragrance library, and today I'll be using Peaches and Cream. Oh my gosh, it never fails to amaze me on how great our fragrances smell. Head over to our website and see the endless amount of options we have. To start, put on your gloves. First, add baking soda and citric acid into your mixing bowl. Mix well. While still mixing, add your SLSA. Make sure to whisk slowly because the SLSA is very lightweight and can fly out easily. Next, soak your coconut oil in a water bath. Once this is done, set it aside for 10 minutes. Great, now you can add the polysorbate 80. Then my favorite part, the fragrance. Stir this well. Pour the melted oils over the dry ingredients. Knead it with your hands. It should have a similar consistency to cookie dough. Now, time to color. Add your mica powder in and knead it again to combine it. Once this is done, time to pack it into the scoops and place it on the cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. The back side to the truffles should be flat. For an upgraded product, you can pack these into special molds of your choice. Put the truffles in the fridge for 2 hours to harden. Let them dry for at least 24 hours at room temperature. And then you're good to go. Aren't these so cute? For the best shelf life, wrap each truffle in plastic wrap and store it in an airtight container. We paid about $1 for this product and can go wholesale for 2 to 3 and retail for 5 to 6. Thanks for watching another episode of AFI's DIYs. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date with other tutorials. I'm Katie and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!